Okay, so welcome back. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to do an example, a couple of examples of dealing with mixed numbers. Okay, so again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the whole numbers and then add the fractions separately like I showed before. So the way I would do this is I'm going to set this up so it's easier to see how I'm going to add. So I'm going to add vertically. So I'm going to write 2 3/8 and 3 1/6. Okay? And so I'm taking the whole numbers, the ones digits, and lining them up, and then the fractional parts I'm lining up. And so if I add, I'm going to add the whole numbers and then add the fractional part, and then regroup as necessary. So, but before, I'm going to need to get a common denominator here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write these equal, right? So by, again, what's the common denominator here? What's the least common multiple? 24, right? We did this, we showed this before. So you can get the LCM, the least common multiple. We find that it's 24. So again, I'm going to change these to 24. So I'm gonna, this goes to 424, and this goes to 924. Okay. Now I can go ahead and add down. So this becomes 5 and what? 13 24ths. And I'm done. It's that easy. Okay. And it's already reduced. Nothing to reduce. Why? Because I used the least common multiple, or the least common, the lowest common divisor. Okay, so let's do this one. So now I'm going to move this over here to 3 2/3. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is make this into a common denominator. Now it's easy to see that this is 6. The common denominator that you're going to use is 6. So you don't always have to use the method that I showed. You might be able to see it. Okay, so this one is going to be 6. So this is going to be 4/6, and this is going to change to 3/6. Okay, so now what happens? Now I'm going to add the whole numbers. That's going to give me 8, and this is going to give me 7/6. But this is an improper fraction. So I'm going to write this as 8 plus 1 plus 1/6, because 6 can go into 7 one more time, and that leaves me a remainder of 1/6. And so my final answer is going to be 9 1/6. And that's it. Have a great day.